When building out automations, I almost always use HTTP requests. This allows us to do API calls. I've just found a new API for Instagram scraping, which allows us to get followers, get following, as well as post reels and get information on hashtags, as well as search for accounts similar to ones which we input. This is really good, and I'm going to show you how to actually implement this into your workflow in a second, but I want to talk about why we actually want to use HTTP requests when we can. Well, inside of Make.com, we are limited to what we can do if we are using just the native apps. Ultimately, this module here, for example, this ChatGPT module is an API call, except it is a native API call inside of Make.com, which they've already predefined the endpoint for. Using an HTTP request allows us to get access to different APIs without the need for this to be natively supported by Make.com. So how would we actually add this into our workflow? Well, we just need to press add module, type in HTTP request and press make a request. For example, if we wanted to get followers, we just need to press get followers, make sure the target is HTTP, and then we can use this URL to then make the API call. Now you need to sign up to Rapid API first so that they can bill you if you use any over their free usage, depending on which API you're using. But here's an example of one that I've already built out. This particular one downloads a TikTok video. So as you can see here, I'm calling upon this particular API. I'm using a get method. I've removed my API key, but you will have your own API key that you need to add into here. And then from here, I've then got which host it is then utilizing. And then I've got the URL and other information which it needs in order to run. And once you've got those in, then you will be able to make a call upon that API. If you've got any questions, then hit the comment section and let me know.